Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. Today I am unboxing a non-subscription box. It's ThirdLove, and the reason I'm unboxing this is because I have just personally fallen in love with their bras. I have had the problem where like when I wear the t-shirt, I have the thick line and it's been driving me crazy. And after suggesting them to a couple of girlfriends who ordered them and loved them, I ordered my own and I'm now officially in love. It comes in a box just like this. I did the try before you buy, which is a really cool program that they offer. Basically, you go in and you do their fit test, which is all completed online by putting in measurements and your likes and dislikes. It matched me up pretty quickly to my bra size, and they sent me my bra in the online matched bra size, which in this case is a 32D. And they sent me one size up, which is a 32D and a half, so that I could really try on the two bras, see how the fit worked, what was comfortable, not comfortable, and ended up purchasing the 32D and a half, and I'm gonna return the 32D. I am super, super in love with their fit program. I think it is revolutionary, and maybe other companies have been doing it, but this is the first company who I've worked with who did it for me. And y'all, literally, I went online, clicked return next to the one that didn't fit. They emailed me over my slip, and I plan on just shipping it back. I've been holding on to it so I could share it with y'all. I have my laptop here because I wanted to make sure I gave y'all good information. But you just pay for shipping, wear it, wash it, live in it for 30 days. If you love it, you keep it. The bras are slightly on the more expensive side for some of y'all. For me, spending $100 on a bra is no big deal. So these are only $68, so I'm actually saving money on this. Returns and exchanges are free within 30 days, and returned bras are donated to the Bras for All program. And they've given over 4 million worth of bras away to ladies in need. So I can't find a negative about them. I love the straps and the pleating on the straps. It causes them not to slip, and it looks really cute. They do use a thin memory foam, and for you mamas who are like me, who have breastfed a couple of babies and need a little more coverage to keep things under control, but don't want big chunky padding that other brands offer, this is it right here. The thin memory foam really does cover and keep everything smooth, which I fell in love with. And I'm gonna throw up some photos around because I want you guys to really see how smooth they look under t-shirts. I'm a huge t-shirt wearer. I wear t-shirts and tanks all the time. And I have to say, this is the first bra I've had in forever that I continually keep telling my husband, I am in love. He's probably getting sick of hearing me say it. And there was a big size difference. You may not think so, but I put the 32D on and had the little bit of the poofy, the overflow as they call it, put the 32D and a half on, and it was like a bra that was built for me. So hop on their site, do their full fit try on. It's super fast. The questions are super easy. I think I had my hubby help me measure one thing just to make sure I got it right, but you can do it all on your own. And I started with the classic t-shirt bra. Now that I know that I'm in love, I'm gonna get one of their plunge. They have several different more sexier options, more practical options. And I think they actually have camis / lingerie as well. I have not checked those out yet, but I do want to. I have washed and worn my bra several times, and I don't know if you can even tell which one is the one that's been washed and worn for about 2 months now. I am going to be posting up more info as I get more info, but check below in the comment section. That's where I'll put any promotions that they're tossing up and giving away. I will be honest, they don't do a lot of really big discounts because they're in demand. This is an excellent, excellent product. But what I can say is they have a really great refer a friend program. So I would love it if you do order a ThirdLove bra, if you would sign up under me. The link is below. And I would be your friend referral. And then as you turn around and share the bra with others, that you use your link to refer your friends. They have a rewards benefit program, which is actually pretty cool. Everybody starts as an admirer, which is free. You get bundle and save discounts, you get shipping benefits, and you get an annual birthday gift. But after you purchase $250, you become an enthusiast, and you start getting free seamless underwear with your purchase. You get early access on new arrivals. You get exclusive seasonal offers. And then once you spend $450 with them over a lifetime, you're a devotee. And as a devotee, you get merchandise giveaways and limited edition products on top of everything. So they really honor those who stick with them. And I highly doubt I'd buy a bra anywhere else. Or if I do, it'll be in addition to these guys. Because after referring them for a year, I finally myself became a real believer and am in love. All right, guys. If you have any questions, if I've missed anything, send me a message. I know this is gonna be a sensitive topic. Feel free to send me an email or comment below because you never know if you're gonna be helping somebody else out. And ThirdLove or myself will get you an answer. Thanks guys for hanging with me. I am super excited to officially be a ThirdLove wearer. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. We'll see y'all later. Bye y'all.